say?
Daddy, I'm gonna go to
Do you wanna go?
the mall.
No, we're not gonna go to the mall.
You don't love me. I said yes where you're going. Now
How-
I want to be out today. I want both.
Both? You cannot because it's so busy at the mall right now and it's raining.
Not fair.
How's your day? Tell me about your day.
Bad day.
You get a bad day? Why?
Bored day.
Bored and bad? Why?
I don't like my school.
You don't like your school?
No.
Oh, okay. So you want me to send you some in the Philippines, school in the Philippines? You wanna go study over there?
No.
You wanna say bye to Miss Franco?
No.
Then why you say that?
Because the school is boring. Because you're always picking up and saying no to me.
Well, that's how it's supposed to be. You cannot get whatever you want. Stop acting up.
I'm not.
You are.
I
Come
want
on, please.
popcorn.
Please buckle up now.
Can I have popcorn?
Okay, I'm gonna ask Mommy where she put the popcorn.
No, I know where it is.
You know where is it?
Yeah. No tell Mom.
Okay. Can you please buckle up?
It's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna reverse now. Huh?
What you said? I said you're a best at it. And what you said?
Oh, you're just saying that because I said that we're gonna make popcorn.
Can you do it together, you and me?
Okay.
Yay! Hi, Mommy. We are Daddy and me gonna make popcorn, and I will watch too. Look, I will watch and see. My teeth is a little bit coming off. Look at another teeth. So we are going home, and I'm back to school. Not because Daddy take care of me, and he loved me. Thank you for watching. Bye.